This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook food at home. First, always prioritize safety in the kitchen. Make sure your workspace is clean and your knives are sharp for efficient and safe cutting. Next, read through your entire recipe and gather all ingredients and tools. This practice, known as mise en place, saves time and prevents mid-recipe scrambling. Finally, don't be afraid to start with simple, delicious meals like pasta or roasted vegetables. Mastering a few basic techniques will elevate your home cooking. Start with knife skills. A proper grip and cutting motion are crucial for safety and consistency. Practice sautéing vegetables over medium-high heat until tender crisp, or roasting them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Don't forget the importance of seasoning. A pinch of salt and pepper can transform a dish, and a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of fresh herbs adds brightness. Efficient meal planning is a game changer for home cooks. Dedicate about 30 minutes each week to plan your meals and create a grocery list. Consider preparing ingredients like chopping vegetables or marinating proteins on a Sunday afternoon. This meal prep can save you hours during busy weekdays. Cooking larger portions of dishes like soups or casseroles means you'll have delicious leftovers, reducing the need to cook every single night. Food safety is paramount to healthy home cooking. Always store perishable items like meat and dairy in the refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Use a food thermometer to ensure meats, such as chicken, reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool leftovers quickly within 2 hours and reheat them thoroughly to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to eliminate harmful bacteria. Proper storage ensures your delicious creations remain safe to eat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.